The fish and the net. Wisdom saves lives. In a peaceful lake lived 3 intelligent fish. One morning, they noticed fishermen arriving with a huge fishing net. The first fish believed in taking action immediately. Without wasting a second, it found a narrow stream connected to another lake and escaped safely. The second fish waited patiently. When the net surrounded it, it floated without moving and pretended to be dead. Thinking it was useless, the fisherman threw it back into the water, and it quickly swam away. The third fish laughed at the warnings. It believed nothing bad would happen. When the net closed around it, it struggled desperately, but it was too late. That day, the lake became silent. The 2 surviving fish remembered that intelligence is valuable only when used at the right time. Moral: ignoring danger today may become tomorrow's biggest regret.